We got the best tool deals at the deep. But don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here, got the clearance section. We got a speaker box or speaker with LEDs, $99.90. I'm pretty sure those are going to drop down in price. Like I always say, double check with your associate. Some of these prices may be lower than what they appear. Alright, so to start here or next, we do have the rigid modular system. This is $89.97. This is a great budget system to get into. It is considered a pro system, so definitely check it out. It does have nice organizers inside, some accessories, metal latches there, lockable, and then you got some more metal latches. So definitely check it out. This is a great system to get into. Probably I would say the best bang for your buck, especially for you pros out there that use your boxes. Now this one, I don't know. You could use it as a pro, but I don't think it's gonna last as good as the other one. And it's just about the same price, maybe a little bit more. This one's a little bit more. This is the medium box. However, I think the plastics on the rigid seems to be a little bit heavier duty. But then again, the same, about around the same price, so $39.98. Unless you really like the color or the brand Ryobi. So milk right there at the top, and then you got the DeWalt's at $109. The middle box or the large box for $75. Toast System 2.0. Pretty nice. I do own Toast System 1.0, so really like the box. As a matter of fact, I use it for work. Sliding compound miter saw for $200, down from $399. That's it right there. That's the only one they have left. And then they have $5.97 for the 24 tooth framing saw blades. 7 1/4 2-pack. That's a pretty good deal there. So if you guys got some projects going on, you got a flashlight here. It's like a standing light or clamp lights, torch light. That's what they call it. $32 down from $39. They got the rear handle, something I never seen before, at least in person. So this is very, very similar to the Milwaukee style. I do own the Milwaukee, and that thing's a beast. So that must be a beast too as well. This one's $349 with the kit. So it does come with an 8 amp hour battery, a rapid charger, and a bag. Alright, so you got the BOGO deals. Buy two, get one free. Buy two and get that 8 amp hour starter kit. Obviously, the two 12 amp hour batteries are going to be, if you guys want to stock up on those, this is the time to jump on that deal. $175 for the 3/8 compact impact wrench, down from $249. Guys, remember, this one's getting lower. So once it's around $100, I'll get it probably. So $140 down from $199. This is a pretty good deal for the DIY, like I said. Pretty good storage there. And you got a workbench. If you guys, let us know in the comment section if you guys got that $11 workbench there at the bottom. Let us know in the comment section. That was a really nice workbench. And then this is actually pretty nice, but it is $99. It's a little bigger. You got the tumblers. This is a Milwaukee section we're going to go over in a second here. Alright, so $34.88 for the 30 ounce and $29.88 for the 24 ounce. That's pretty good. I do own both of these. I do gotta say I use the 30 ounce more than now that it's getting hot, of course. And yeah, I put about half of ice in there and it'll last me all day. And I just keep pouring water, just keep pouring water on the ice. Because I do have water, but it's hot, obviously, and you pour it in there and, it keeps it cool. And ice keeps it all day, basically. Right, so you got these gloves, this demolition gloves. I do own those gloves. I've been beating the heck out of those, and I still have them. And then you got the voltage detector and the 6-in-1 pliers. The precision screwdrivers. It's pretty nice. And then you got the 11-in-1 screwdriver. Bit holder there. So $19.97 for the voltage detector. $16.97 for the 6-in-1s. 4-piece for the 4-piece screwdriver set for $15. $25 down from $29 for the 9-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set. It's actually pretty nice. You got a stubby there on the side and just a regular size. Pretty nice. $12.88 for the blades. So you got spade bits, you got jigsaw blades, and then those are the spade bits with the pouch. And then you got the framing blades, the 7 1/4 and the 6 1/2. Alright, so 2 for $99. So this is actually a pretty good deal. $69.99 for the 550 pivoting floodlights, or the 800 lumen rechargeable compact lights, or the low profile hat lamp kit. So any of those, you choose 2 and it's $99. Of course, they already sold out most of these. There's only a few of them left. This was the only one that's left. So it's the pivoting floodlights, 550 lumen rechargeable. And this was battery operated, or battery powered, my bad. Alright, so $2.99 for the 4 tool combo kits. These are field tools. $99 for the lithium 5 amp hour battery. Do not get that at $99. Yes, guys, they still got these left. If you're lucky at your depot, $2.99 is top of the line. 2 6s and a charger. Get a free tool. Obviously, the inflator, the rocket light's going to be the best bet on that one. $1.99 and will get you, I believe, a 2 and a 5 starter kit, and you can get from a hammer drill there if you don't have it. That light and the vacuum is pretty good. They only have a few of these left. The other one's already sold out. So like I said, guys, make sure you guys jump on those as soon as you guys see them, because they do sell out. They do sell out. That's Milwaukee. And for Ryobi days, for Ryobi deals here, they're still around, of course. Nobody, well, actually, a lot of people like these, but they're not as demanding as the Milwaukee. So definitely jump on these, guys. There's a lot of good deals. You got the ratchet, you got the reciprocating saw, the jigsaw, the fan. There's a whole bunch of stuff here to get for $99. Plus you're getting 2 4 amp hour batteries. Just to stock up on those batteries, it is always good to pay that, you know, $99 deal. Same thing with this, $199. These are high performance batteries. These are the best batteries that they have for this brand. You can choose from the rotary hammer, the nail gun's a good one, the ratchet, the vacuum, the newer vacuum everybody's getting. So yeah, one of the nailers guns that you got on sale is 109. It's a brand nailer, 18 gauge brand nailer, and you got a 16 gauge finish nail for $189. Buy more, save more from Milwaukee outdoor power equipment. 550, save $175. You spend $450, save $100. Spend $350, save $50. So mix and match. There's a whole bunch of tools, chainsaws, blowers, string trimmers, all kinds of stuff. $39.97 for the USB clamp fan. I personally would just go with the Ryobi clamp fan, the 18 bolts. I don't like the fact that this one has to be recharged and all that. Again, that's me. But there it is. You got the 15-piece screwdriver set, Husky, $19.80. This is actually a pretty nice set. Definitely recommend it. It does include some stubbies and some precisions there. Some 2 precisions. You got magnetic bowl there for your mechanics, and you guys like to take out random parts there. And then you have a 7-piece hook pick set. It's a nice pick set. However, I did break one, but you know, I wasn't using it as you should, of course. That's how you break the tools. $29.97. Got $99 for that big tote toolbox with wheels. Alright, so buy one get one free. You get this 2-pack of 2 amp hour batteries for free once you buy a tool. So $119 for the dual port charger. You got the cutoff tool, or multi-material saw they call it. The right angle 3/8 drill, the one-handed reciprocating saw, circular saw, impact driver. So pretty good deals on these, guys. Definitely jump on these if you go on the line, on the orange line. Got the impact wrench there. That's it for today, guys. Just a short video. If you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.